Hello, this is Reynolds again. In this occasion, we're gonna build together something on MySQL and Node.js. But what I want you to know is that we're gonna build is just like a matrix. You will understand what it is now. Let's go to git batch.
Enjoy the climb, hey, enjoy the grind, hey. You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, hey. Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control, then don't just take it, hey. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain, head on out and don't look back, yeah. Gonna be far from down. Gonna wanna be far from moving forward. And whatever it is, far from me down. Okay, let's. We can pass even an array here, but let's. Okay, let's make matriz with cycling JavaScript. And HTML tables. Okay, look, this is kind of what I want, but
That client review was brutal.
We're gonna be underwater for a week.
Okay, okay, sort table, there's rows, inner HTML. And being honest, this can work, but there should be another way, being honest. But since we just have like this big sample, sort by right. Think I remember you. Don't feel saddened. I think I remember you. Think until you found nothing to sound. I need to know where it is being called, okay? Okay, now I got it. Sort by 0, sort by 4, and then it works just like from scratch, okay? And the name of the whole function is sort by. But where does it gets the information? That is important to us, okay? The information that is important. Okay. Prove yourself on rise, rise. Make her remember you. Okay, the thing is that this is not complete. I mean, this here is not complete. Here it says rows, but this has not been declared. So let's look for another solution. Okay, let's see. Okay, this way is going to work. Okay, let's do it in this way. Actually, I didn't want it to do it so simple, but this is the way that it works. So I am not going to use the spread operator because it won't be necessary. So let's put here just information, just like that. And after that, we're gonna put here this, a normal loop. And this loop, instead of using console log, is going to point to a div that we're going to create, and we're gonna put inner HTML plus equal, and then we will put the collection Y. Okay. You're going to make many questions, I know, but first things first. Let me show you one thing after the other. First thing is that this should be the table, okay? So let's create here a table. I'm going to create table ID, I don't know, matrix. And after that, I'm going to create here a row. Sorry, rows are it's table row. Table row. T row, I think that is. No. TR. Yes, TR. And the thing is that I put this just as an example. For example, here I can put example, and you will see that it will show on the website that example. But here I am going to point to the matrix. And in the matrix, I am going to say inner HTML, and then I am going to say TR and then plus, and that's it. And let's see, instead of collection, we're gonna put information. Information length, information here again. And that information should come from the database. That is the most interesting part. But being honest, the exercise does not ask me for doing so by the moment. So what we're gonna do is just to make a mock-up, okay? What is a mock-up? Like a schema that is similar to the data that will come from the database, but in this case does not come from the database. So let's put here const information is equal to this, and comma this, and now I am going to go and I will put, for example, I don't know, MySQL the date that it was birth. It was birthed on the 1996 or something like that, if I'm not wrong. And it is used on the server side. But this information, as I can see, should be on one array like this. In this way, it does not give an error. But being honest, we can do it in an object as well. But the problem that if we use objects is that objects only allow to use objects with array inside of them, but not objects directly with an array. I don't know why. Being honest, I think that it's possible, but I have a lot of time without doing it. So let's just create this like this. I will show you now. I'm going to put here, let me see, there should be there is a function, I think, that is to create an array. Yes, there you go. In this way, it looks better, okay? We are now creating an array. It is the same thing that we did before, but now, at least it looks like it is an array that is an object. And that is kind of more organized. Looks even better, you know. So let's go now for for example, the utility that has this language. MySQL was born on the 1996, and the utility is that it's a database management system, and it works in the server side. It gives you the opportunity to save data and retrieve data by columns and rows. You can also use foreign keys as well as indices. Also, it has much time in the market, so the documentation is very well known. That end, okay? And let's just remove this array here, and we can even, if we're gonna have only one array, it's not necessary that we make an array of arrays. And also that is also something cool is that I can look for the information here. When was created MySQL, and it says that it was created on 1995. But being honest, it was on the 1996 because I was listening to an audio before yesterday, I think, and it said that it was on the 1996. I think that it was MySQL that it was talking about. But the thing is that it does not matter much. What matters the most is what it does. I mean, the utility that it has, okay? Before we continue, let's do something which is going to be interesting, okay? I'm going to go here and I'm going to put th, and I'm going to put this th, I'm going to put it with I'm going to even put it here. Let's copy this, and I'm going to put this th here. And in here, I'm going to put the I. No, sorry, the header, okay? So the headers are, for example, const headers. You will see how interesting this is, okay? This is going to be outside the for. The headers are, for example, language, year, and description. That's everything. And now here I will put headers, and I will put the counter as well. Now you may be wondering, Reynald, are you sure that this is going to work? Well, actually, I can be sure about everything in life. But the cool part is that this is not a complicated thing. I mean, there is nothing complicated here. This has node mode, so I can use neither node app.js. Sorry, I can use as well light server as well as node app.js. But I am going to use npm. Sorry, I'm going to use node. Oh, no. I think that is light server. And yeah, it's running. Yes, it's running. As crazy as it sounds, it's running. But it has something that is not working. The table is not being shown. I mean, it's not showing the result that I want. Why? Let's see now. As you can see, the table is here. So that's something very good. I will repeat that. The table is there. So what I have to do is just to pull up this information. How I pull up that information is super easy. I just have to go here and to pass the information here. And that's it. As simple as that. The thing is that I was not calling the information. Let's put here, instead of the information, let's put, for example, data. And now if I refresh, we will see that the table has data. And if we go here, we have the table. But the problem now that we got is that the table is not well organized. Being honest, I was expecting that. Because when you are initiating on this with the tables, it usually gives this kind of error. So what we're going to do is just to let me see, tr, okay, tbody, tr, and here is outside. The thing is that this th is being put outside of the table. Why? Well, being honest, I don't know why. Th language, and then it says trgr, trth. Okay, the thing is that this should be first than the information. Let's see now. It's still giving an error. Language, tr, okay, trgr. Headers, The thing is that it is recreating the table instead of just adding the data. And I don't want that. I wanted to add the data without creating the table again. Let me look here, cycling with JavaScript for and not recreating the table. Okay, as you can see, many people usually ignore the use of tables. They don't use tables. What they use is divs. And being honest, I can do the same. I just can use a div, and that will solve the whole problem. So let's just let's use div. Let's use divs instead of tables, and let's put here. You may be saying, "Oh, you are weak," blah 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 blah. No, the thing is that this is not required at the moment, and I'm not going to lose my time because it's not necessary, you know. I'm going to put here a div class header container. Oh no, container header. And now let's go here to the tr. We're gonna replace that. We're gonna put here class container body, for example. And that's it. But instead of tr, it is div, okay? So let's go here to update this, and you can see that is being shown. But we need something else just to finish, and needs to organize this like if they are rows, okay? How we're gonna do that? That is going to be interesting. We're going to use a div inside of the matrix that is going to be called container. So let's put here inside of the matrix a div with ID. Whoa, the disk space is almost gone. Container, and let's go here. Container. I'm going to leave the video here, okay? But after this is just about saying that the headers are going to be up the body over each body. That is something about organization. I don't have much space on the disk, so I will pause the video here. See you in the next one. Thank you.